a penthouse view can't compare to a tree or a sky of blue. The chores, the stores, I'd rather toil on acres of soil 'cause I like the outdoors. Green Acres is the place to be. Farm living is the life for me. Land spreading out so far and wide. Take Manhattan and give me that countryside. I love my wife. Goodbye city life. Green Acres